Hey, hello everyone. Thanks for being here. So, next step on this machine is gonna be I'm gonna show you how to remove the um, pump. Okay, so basically there are two screws. You don't have to take them all the way off, just halfway, because you know they actually you don't have to remove them all the way, just a little bit, so you can slide it out. But also you need to unplug it, right? Now here, the thing with this thing is that also there's a hose. Don't forget to remove the hose, okay? Give me a second. So basically the hose, you can just use a flat screwdriver and push it out, okay? It's a little bit tough, but if you push it from different angles, it comes off. So this is the pump. Basically, it's a really good shape. It's old, but it's still in good shape. So basically, this pump, this comes off. If you buy it without a base, this comes off. If you buy it used, I really don't remember. Sometimes they come with the thing. This cover comes off. I'll show you how to take it off in case you want to clean the inside. So basically, there's a place here, as you see. You can put your flat screwdriver here, and usually it comes off. So I put it like that. See? Then you go another click here, right? And then you go another click here. You go another click here. Usually it takes a couple times. Now with the thing with this pump, most importantly, is be careful, because sometimes if this fell down, if it fall down from your hand, okay, it's gonna break. So this comes off. You can clean it. If this motor is heavy. If it fell like this, it's gonna break the housing. Just be careful. Don't let it fall. I usually work on the top of the table, so if it fell, it's gonna be falling on the table. Now this one comes off, and I will show you how you can take the whole thing off in a minute. But basically, I have a special plier for this, and it's just compressed. So what happened is, sometimes what you can do is with a flat screwdriver, you push it a little bit, and every time you pry it, you move this a little bit. You know, you keep prying it from different location. Let me see if I can show you this. Hold on. So I took it off already. I'm gonna show you how to put it back. It goes like that. Now what I did, basically, I have this plier, which is really special. You slide it under it like this. Just be careful. And let me see, just 1 second. So basically, you could put a screwdriver and pry it a little bit. Be careful, don't break it. You can break it very easily. You go like this, you pry it a little bit, and then you move it, right? You move it a little bit, and you go under, and you keep prying it like this, right? Like that. Then at some point it will come off. Okay? So I had another special plier for this. So if you could have this under and then pry it up, okay? Now after that, the other problem we're gonna have, I mean, it's not a problem, but the thing that you need to have is you can remove it from here if you want to. Now only if you're changing the motor. You know, some cases you cannot find the you can buy only the motor separately. So after all this off, you can just take this off. Don't lose the screws. Okay, so this is ready to go, I believe. Yeah, so this comes off. Okay, usually you can buy the motor like this if you could. And this is the housing. You put it back, same thing. Right, now let's just make sure we face in the right direction. So this was, yeah, that's perfect like this, right? Remember, the hose is here, so this is the right direction. So anyway, you got the idea, right? I'm scrapping this so you don't have to I mean, you have to keep everything, but I'm scrapping it. So this pump is good. That's how you test it. Now, as far as the, that's how you, if you only buy the motor separate. Okay. Now, if you want to test it, one of these wires is common. So follow this wire here. This is common, okay? So see where it is going, and then you can test if there's power coming from here when the cycling is going on. Okay, so this is one thing about the pump. Now, as far as, excuse me, as far as the water probe level, okay, you have to move these two screws from here. You can see it, yeah, okay, right? So these screws, remove them, and there's another screw here. I couldn't see it, right? And now this water probe comes off, which is here. Now remember, this one has a cable. If you want to change it, right? This one has a wire. Let me remove this. A wire that's here. You see it? So it goes all the way. It goes all the way to. It goes all the way to here, to the control board. So basically, if you want to change it, you have to disconnect it from the control board, from here, and you have to remove the wire all the way if you want to replace it, okay? Now again, if I were you, if it gets really, really dirty, I know people, they clean it. If it gets really dirty, just change it. The new one like this is, I would say, anywhere between $20 to maximum, let's say $100. But remember, this unit is expensive. These units, brand new, they're like $4,000. So no matter how much you spend every 10 years, it's cheaper. You can clean it if you want, and this is how it is. So we remove that. Now this plug is basically the power for the pump. If you need to, I don't think you have to do anything with it, but you know where it goes in case you want to test the power for the pump. You don't have to go here. You can come here and follow it. So basically this is one. You can put the probe here to test if there's power coming to it in case there's something wrong with it, right? So these are the power for the pump. In case there's something wrong, you can remove it. Just remember, write down or mark it, and then check if there's power coming here 115 and the cycle is going on and there's 115 and the pump doesn't run, you know the pump is bad, okay? So this is for the pump. Now as far as this one, I showed you how to remove it, the curtain in the earlier video. Okay, so I think that's enough for now. I'm just showing you how to remove the pump, the water probe, and how to test the pump. Okay, so then let's go for another video in a minute. Okay.